Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to activate your Netspend Mastercard from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to activate your Netspend Mastercard from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in netspend.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Netspend Mastercard activate like this and hit enter. And on the first result of Google, you can see the activate your card on Netspend. Click on Netspend activate your card, and on the first tab we are on the home page of Netspend. To activate your Mastercard from the Netspend's home page, you can see the activate card on the top right corner of the screen. Click on activate card, and you can see both of these websites are same, so let's close one of these. Now to activate your Netspend Mastercard from over here, you'll be required to enter your card number over here, which is at the front of your card, and the 16-digit number probably start with the 40 or something, and enter your security code over here, which is a 3-digit number and is on the back side of your card. Probably it's also called the CVV. And after that, click on continue, and on the next step you will be required to enter the expiry date of your Netspend Mastercard, and then your Netspend Mastercard will be activated. And there guys, this is how you activate the Netspend Mastercard from the computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment on the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.